Clear an out-of-paper message for the HP OfficeJet Pro 8120 and 8130 all-in-one printer series. If during a print, copy, fax, or scan job, the printer does not feed paper from the tray or feeder, then you are most likely experiencing a paper feed issue. The printer might also make noises as though it is printing, but no paper moves through it. Follow these steps to troubleshoot the problem. After each step, try to use the printer again. If you encounter the same issue, continue to the next step. Step 1. Check the paper and then reload it. Paper feed issues might result from using ripped, dusty, curled, wrinkled, or bent paper. Open the main tray, slide the paper width guides outwards, and then remove the stack of paper from the main tray. Remove any severely bent, wrinkled, or torn paper from the stack. Check for and remove any obstructions inside the main tray. Even small pieces of paper can cause paper feed issues. With both hands, hold the stack of paper and then tap the bottom edge of the stack on a flat surface so that the stack is even on all sides. Insert the stack of paper into the main tray, push the stack in, and then slide the paper width guides inward until they touch the edges of the paper. Close the main tray. Make sure the paper loaded matches the paper size and type settings in the printer software, HP Smart App, or printer control panel. Step 2. Clean the paper feed rollers. Dust, paper fiber, and other debris might accumulate on the paper feed rollers and cause paper jams and paper feed issues. Cleaning the rollers helps prevent future paper jams. Gather the following items: a lint-free cloth or swab, and distilled, filtered, or bottled water. Turn off the printer. Unplug the power cord and disconnect any other cables. Lightly dampen the cloth with the distilled or filtered water, and then squeeze any excess liquid from the cloth. Remove the output tray. Pull out the input tray and then gently tilt the printer back by about 60 degrees to access the printer base. Gently clean the rollers by wiping them with the cloth. Rotate the rollers to clean the entire surface of each roller. Wait 10 minutes for the rollers to dry completely. Replace the input tray. Replace the output tray. For printer models with an automatic document feeder, or ADF for short, remove all paper from the document feeder tray. Lift the document feeder cover. If the cloth has dried, lightly dampen the cloth with distilled water again and then squeeze any excess liquid from the cloth. Use the same method as before to clean both the rollers and the separator pad with the cloth. Note: if the roller surface does not come clean with distilled water, a light amount of isopropyl alcohol can be used as an alternative. Wait 10 minutes for the rollers to dry completely. Lower the document feeder cover. Step 3. Reset the printer. With the printer turned on, disconnect the power cord from the printer. Unplug the power cord from the power source. Wait 60 seconds. Reconnect the power cord to a wall outlet and to the printer. Note: HP recommends plugging the printer directly into a wall outlet. Turn on the printer to complete the reset.